have all that garbage in there. Oh. Hey guys, it's Jason from the Dental Equipment Repair Channel. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you really quickly why we do this thing called the utility room inspection. Going into your dental utility room periodically or having a technician do it gives you the opportunity to catch problems before they become, little problems before they become big problems. Today I found a clogged drain, and this has a potential to turn into something major, and I just want to show you what I found and how I'm going to fix it. Let's go. All right, guys. So what we're looking at here is we're looking at a wet ring vacuum pump, which takes suction from the operatories. So the way it goes is basically there's amalgam separator right here. Suction is basically going from the operatories here, and then it's going from this other side over here into the amalgam separator from chairs, and then it's going to the dental vacuum. And from there, it goes in the vacuum, and then it goes out of the vacuum right there to this white hose, which comes into this air water separator. The air on the air water separator goes up and actually goes over right here. And then it goes over there, and it just goes out the building. And so here, okay, so that's kind of the standard dental noise. And what happens is the water part of it goes down. And as you can see, there's kind of just this nice little cauldron full of nastiness here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clear that out. And I don't quite know what's going on. There's probably going to be pretty gross. So here, let's get you set up and we'll go and handle it. All right, guys. So I think what's going on is there's just really some debris in there that's blocking the drain. And so I'm just gonna double glove it and try to debris out of here. This will be really fun. Oh. There we go. That should be good enough. Oh yeah, that's warm. Oh wow, that's fun. There's actually like a little thing here. So that's kind of what that little yummy thing looks like. So what we'll do, we'll kind of oh yum. Well, I guess that's why this doesn't smell that good either. So we'll go ahead and put this back in. We'll see here what. There's also, oh yeah, look at that, yummy. Oh man, so that'll save the day later. Not to have all that garbage in there. Oh, it's awesome. All right, well, there we go. All right, guys, that's the nasty right there, the nastiness. Again, this is, one of those things where you got to go in your utility room and figure out what's going to happen. I don't know for sure that would have turned into a catastrophe, but one of the things that it could have definitely meant would be a flood if the water can't go in the drain. Where's it going to go besides on the floor? So disaster averted. Again, that's what we got. Pretty yucky. So we're just going to throw it away here. And say bye-bye. See you guys later.